Speaking of big superstars and celebrities you were talking about for UFC 100, the team was currently in last month actually they were in China, so for the Art of War Fighting Championships. It was an MMA show, but how do you think the guys benefited? I'm talking about the jiu-jitsu guys, because we know that the UAE delegation included 350 people, maybe more, but it wasn't only Brazilian jiu-jitsu guys. It was people from schools, universities. So I'm concerned about our guys. How do you think they benefited from that trip?
Benefited, the guy start to see how the professional guys, how the community for fight is there, all the big names for jiu-jitsu is there, and also know about the guys who train jiu-jitsu. I think he had Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed make a smart way. Take too many guys who have chance, who can make sport to watch this event, for start like fight, and when come back to Emirates, start training. Not only jiu-jitsu, maybe go to train karate, box, must put these people involved in the sport. This is why he sent the guys there. Not only for watch, go there to watch and start understanding when come back to the country training. Now a lot new guys start training again jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu guys, for our guys, I think the adrenaline. Guys see the fight for real. It's a lot of adrenaline. They want adrenaline, fight. This is like drug. You become addicted from this. Love the adrenaline to fight. This what for the guys was very good. The next day they want to fight. They fight in the bus, fight outside. They like.
This event also is good because MMA. Always when you watch MMA, you have to think about jiu-jitsu.
Yeah,
I know you have to train too many different martial arts to enjoy the MMA, like box, karate, wrestling. But when you watch MMA fights, you think about jiu-jitsu because you have to.
In the event proof. Who knows jiu-jitsu, they win. In China,
exactly.
Who have background for jiu-jitsu win the fight.
It's good for jiu-jitsu.
It's good for jiu-jitsu, no?
Always.
Show one more time jiu-jitsu is the best fight in the world.
Yeah, bring more guys for training jiu-jitsu. This is very good for UAE, for us. Make the guys understand more. This is good.
Okay, let's move back here to the UAE. After the tournament, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, ordered jiu-jitsu to be, or ordered an increase in the number of schools that teach jiu-jitsu. I was actually with you guys just now. You were looking through a list of, I believe, almost 60 coaches coming in. 56
new coach coming to working here.
Can you give us names or any idea of who these guys are? Any for the public to know?
Too many names. 56 guys. I was not looking only for the best fight, At the same time, the best fighter, not the best coach. I was looking now for the best coach, and I believe now this 56 coach coming, best coaching moment for what I need.
56 guys who love jiu-jitsu.
Yes.
Who do everything for the jiu-jitsu. Who live for jiu-jitsu. Most of these guys live for jiu-jitsu. The best place to go to all over to try to. So 56 guys who love jiu-jitsu, who really understand the sport, the lifestyle, who, like Carlos said, good for the schools. I'm not the best world champion.
So the criteria was always to choose a mix of instruction and champion, like a world champion, yes, or any champion. So it's not only a world champion who has many titles. So it's
at the same time the best fighter, not the best coach, And also here different. You come to coach kids, new generation. Not everyone can teach kids. You have to love this, And also everything's happened because the first year for the project, 2008, 2009, amazing. Behind love, everything's approved. The tournament for the kids, crazy, People's love. Kids enjoy a lot. Kids want more. Now I go to the street. When I'm in the street, a lot of kids know what jiu-jitsu. For jiu-jitsu, I'm training jiu-jitsu. The kids proud for training jiu-jitsu. It's very important for us, And Heinz, I was thinking to go for double size. Heinz now become triple size. Now go for 42 schools in Abu Dhabi, And for 42 schools, 6 schools for girls, female,
I think,
it's the future. Abu Dhabi become a national.
I think that's unprecedented to have women train jiu-jitsu, especially given our culture, and this means that the sport is really getting where it should be going here in this country.
Yes,
so.
Yes. the point. Abu Dhabi become capital in the world for jiu-jitsu in the future. You know, this is the point. Better than any country. I think no any country make this. You know, government support in now 42 schools, around eight coach from Brazil come to teach here only for about jiu-jitsu. And think about jiu-jitsu for kids, for the girls, for professional way, for making big events. Abu Dhabi, 5 years, capital for jiu-jitsu in the world.
Yeah, the new generation from UAE, they're gonna get like a jiu-jitsu lifestyle, because they have a lot of coach. The coach gonna teach everything what they know, you know, in the schools for the kids. They're gonna growing. They're gonna have their son. They're gonna be like a jiu-jitsu lifestyle. This is gonna be amazing. It's a dream for us.